Hello and welcome back to Write and Make. As you know, here at Write and Make, we set the challenge to take your writing and creativity to another level. Simply put, if you write it, make it. But you may ask, who am I to write? Maybe it's better to ask the question, who am I not to write? Most of us, through the use of social media, are writers without consciously thinking about it. Every day people post their thoughts, opinions, observations on a whole bunch of stuff, expressing their unique voice to the world. But like most things in life, mastery of a craft is built through application, practice, knowledge, repetition, patience and discipline. For example, how many of us would expect to just go and build and fit our dream kitchen, or jump into the driver's seat of a car for the very first time and just drive off? So why should it be any different with our writing and our creativity? Here at Write and Make, we want to encourage you in your writing, your creativity, getting it to a place that you maybe never thought possible or even considered. You may ask, but what can I write about? Well, this question is perhaps one of the biggest contributors to procrastination. And the root problem may be just lack of self-belief. Writing isn't just plain sailing where you sit down and the ideas flood out and the words come on the page. Barriers come in, life gets in the way. Does your typical day look like this? But sometimes we need to remove or even ignore distractions and just be selfish with our time. Generally, at Write and Make, we stick to the following 2 points. Write about what you know. This could be something that you've done in your career, your hobbies, leisure time pursuits, or knowledge and experience of what family, friends, or colleagues do. But remember, this provides only the mere foundation. From there you can play, introducing all sorts of twists and extremes to your storyline and your creativity. For example, we've done a bit of travel throughout our careers, our personal lives, and this has given us a great insight into the quirks of things like local bus and train travel in various towns and cities across the world. From this we get a first-hand glimpse of local people and their customs, as well as places of interest which are a little bit off the beaten track. It may surprise you, but we bet that this can also be said of your local town. When was the last time that you walked through it and truly looked at what's there? We just did this and we were amazed at what we saw. Beautiful buildings, historical plaques, to famous local people. Beautiful gardens and parkland. Yet most of the time we just drive through our towns and never actually see this, we never take the time. But all of these things can help you generate ideas, adding that authenticity and depth to your writing. Second point is, write about something that you have a passion for. If the topic inspires you, then that's a great first step. Writing about something that doesn't spark you is most likely going to lead to a set of dull, uninspiring words on the page and few readers or watchers. In order for your writing to be credible and convincing, you should be prepared to do the necessary research. But this is a wonderful opportunity for personal growth, where you can learn new things, meet new people, and help build your creative confidence. As a kid, I was both fascinated and horrified by the Berlin Wall, and in later years I wrote an as yet unpublished novel about the wall and mixing personal escape attempts while putting a different spin on why the wall was even there in the first place. To help the research, I wrote to centres in what was then West Germany, asking for detailed information. I also bought books on Berlin at the end of World War II and on documented Berlin Wall escape attempts. With things like YouTube now in place, we can also view lots of videos from the archives. So again, just doing this research is going to help add authenticity and that depth to your writing. We hope that this video has stimulated your thinking, and in our next vlog we're going to look at how do we come up and generate storyline ideas. But meantime, please, if you like the video, please comment, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for dropping by Write and Make, and we'll see you next time.